What's up, guys? It's your girl Dad, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm just making a custom set of press-on nails. But before we get into this video, guys, please give me a like, comment down anything that you want to see in the future below, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you are subscribing. It will be a giveaway, cash giveaway, and I'm also thinking of a giveaway I can do before I hit my 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that in my future nail videos. So right here, all I did was make sure I put the correct sizes for the nail measurements I needed. Was a size medium, shaped them, buffed them, and now we're ready to get started. Okay, guys, so this is what they look like when you fully buff the top of the nail tip. You're definitely gonna want to buff it, whether you're using gel polish, acrylic, gel, any kind of enhancement. I would recommend on buffing the nail so that it doesn't peel up. So for the first nail, I took the ring fingers and put full transfer gel on. And I'm gonna take this yellow Louis Vuitton transfer full and just, oh, sorry, I wasn't on camera, but you just kind of like slowly place it on there. Try to get it as straight as you can. Okay, guys, so this is how they look after I apply the foil. Put them in the light. Put it in the light after I applied the foil. I put it in the light for 30 seconds after I top coated it, and that's how it looks. Alright, guys, so I'm going to be doing like a marble nail on the thumbnails. So I'm going to take this yellow, polish the whole nail. You can do this however you feel comfortable with doing it. For me, I'm just going to be going in with random. Just random. And then I'm gonna go in and kind of like move it in to the yellow. Everything is random. Okay, so I'm gonna stick that in the light for 60 seconds. Okay, once you cure it for 60 seconds, this is how it look. Okay, guys, this is how they look after I top coat them. Now for the pinky nail, I'm gonna do a whole white nail. Okay, guys, so once I cured the white and made sure I took the sticky layer off, I'm gonna go in with this little glitter I use my gel polish to make this line. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little glitter onto it. I love this look when I see it done. So now I'm gonna stick that in the light. 30 seconds to do. But you definitely want to make sure you feel like when you take the white out the light, it's going to be like a sticky layer. You're going to want to either top coat that before you do a design with glitter or anything, or you're going to just wipe it off with like some swipe or anything like that that you have. And I'm going to probably do it a little different on this one. Like, this is literally a random set, guys. Like, I'm just gonna post them for sale. Hopefully someone is interested in them. I mean, even if they're not, I'm sure next year they will get sold. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the other nail. Just gently sprinkle them over. You don't want to dump the whole glitter out on there and waste it, And try to do it over something so that you can reuse the glitter. Okay, like that. You don't want to dust it yet. You want to put it in a light for at least 30 seconds. This is how this one look. Now, anytime you do like a little glitter look like that, you do want to kind of just dust the excess off. Like that. You don't need to top coat the glitter. You don't want to take away the look. Same thing for this nail. After you cure it, you do want to dust it off to clean up your lines. Now, if you wanted to matte the white, you could do that, but you would want to take a fine detailer brush like that and just literally go around the glitter. Okay, guys, so once you're done with these, this is how they both look. I'm gonna go in with a little yellow glitter and kind of make like a little ombre. Okay, guys, so this is how they looked when I'm done designing them. I just did a regular deep French on the middle nails. Let that set, and that's how the glitter looks. Now I'm gonna go in and add clear acrylic to all of these nails. So this is how they look after I put the clear acrylic on all of them. They're sturdy. My design is in, so now all I have to do is go in with my hand file and smooth them out and give a little bit of reshape. Okay, guys, here is how they look after I put the clear acrylic on them. I filed them, made them smooth, and I shaped them again and made sure the tips were straight and have a nice shape to them. And now I'm going to add charms to them. Okay, guys, so I decided to do the charms with my bling gel, and I just take a little brush like this, and I want it like right there in the middle of the nail for the most part. And now I'm just gonna push it down into the bling gel, and I'm gonna just put it in a light, but I am gonna go back in and add more once I take it out. So now that I put it in the light and I cured it, I am gonna go around the edges just to seal it in and make sure it's all the way in there, because you don't want your charms coming off. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and already applied the magnet to the puff ball, and once you do get that one there, you can just place it right on, let your client or customer know that you can just pull it off when they need it off, and you know, it'll look just like that. Now for my, just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna just go around and add a little bit more. And then I went ahead and added the heart to the glitter nail. And I'm also going to go back in and seal this heart. Okay guys, that's about it. Once you top coat all the nails and make sure all the designs and the charms and the stones and whatever else is sealed in on the nail, put in the light, cure it, you know, and you're good to go. And I put them on a double-sided tape, and I put them in like this little packaging so that they have like a professional look when I do deliver or give the press-ons to them. So that's it for this video. Easy, quick, a beginner can do it. Make sure you guys turn on your post notifications because I'm about to turn this channel up and post a lot more than what I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.